initially, right? So when I manage the operations, no, there's one challenge which is brought by the audit team, that we are reactive on incident management. So that's the first challenge that I have. And the team also is basically don't have the right tool, don't have the monitoring tool that enables them to be able to deliver and shorten the incident management, especially if it's a high severity incident. So that we, as much as possible, we don't allow that to prolong and hit the business. So any incidents really hits the business in a wrong way, and the bottom line, we're losing money behind that. Eastern Telecommunications is a telco and ICT solutions company that provides an extensive portfolio of services that includes data services, internet services, voice services, managed services, data center and cloud services, and cyber defense services. So Eastern Communications is one of the largest telco companies in the Philippines, located in the major business area, and we have also a nationwide coverage providing these ICT solutions. One of the features that I really put in the RFP process is the discovery of the systems. Because I want an agile and quick implementation, so it should be an immediate discovery. In the from some other experience and other tools that we need to install a very particular agent, and it takes time. With this one, like an agentless implementations, so we're able to scan the whole infrastructures and immediately populate the systems. Going back to some challenges about wireless, no? When there's there's no signals and people unable to work without the wireless signals, my engineers, we just need to, what floor? Let me log in, check. So it's very reactive and it really takes time. As a lead, no, we cannot manage that way. And then with these applications, on a regular basis, even if I check in the morning with my network leads, they say, hey, we have this amount of number of wireless devices, the AP devices, and everything's working fine, and this one is having a lot of this traffic. So we're able to have an in-depth look on how the operation. So when somebody comes to us and then there's an issue, we're actually, the answer is we're working on that already. We have we have the TOCs. No? TOCs is what we define as a remote sites. We have connectivity and link to that site. So, and there are business people working on that site. So if that links goes down, they're unable to use critical systems applications in the main sites. No, there's probably no business on that areas. No, so we are monitoring those links. Make sure that it's up, the uptime is high, and then if something goes down, so we'll also tell the company we can easily divert to a resilient link, basically. So the business as usual was really high when we have this, because again, the aim is be proactive before the business feel the impact of the downtime. We're able to actually divert that, or they know that we're working already on the issues. Inside of Manager, one of my engineer's favorite is the visualizations. You can actually, once you scan the systems and you put all the assets, you can put it in a very nice GUI type, and then the colors changes, you know that there's an issues. And then if you click those links, they will give you the details of the issues. Again, the engineers, particularly when you ask the engineers, they like that because it optimizes their process of doing things, and then makes them feel easy, not reactively or defensive when you ask about issues, because they are looking on, it's like an eyes on glass. They have like dual monitors when they can see very, very good maps of the whole systems, even at the applications level. One of the beauty of the ManageEngine solutions, if you have like multiple solutions like the endpoint manager, the AD managers, and the op managers, it's really like one system as a whole. It's fully integratable. The op manager also monitor and manage our VM systems, and the implementations of the other managed engines like the endpoint central and the AD manager is sitting in our VMs. This is an on-prem implementations. No, the op manager also is looking at those application systems. So since they are easily integratable, so the op manager understand how it operates. So the integration is just like a breeze for us. When I started implementing first the endpoint central, we are not gonna get another support, another products from ManageEngine, because when I create the request for proposal, the other end of the deal is make sure that we have a great support. Because if you have the right tool, and then after that the marketing and the selling is done, and you don't have support, it's an open systems. There's a lot of powerful functionalities that we can harvest within these systems. The customizations and the composed promise of ManageEngine is what we really need. It's one of the partnership that I told when we decide with ManageEngines. No, they say they're not actually selling the tools; they're actually selling the solutions to make the customer life easier and to help their business. And that's the one decision factor that we are. When we get the first solutions, we're able to get the next two solutions. As an IT leads, no, we don't like a fly by night partners that they just sell, and then when they get the last pay, and then they just separate. No, so far we feel that the support is really fantastic. No, when the partnership is really defined by a trust-based relationship, which means they look at you, here's your problem, this is the success that we know that how it works, and they really work side by side and walk with us to be able to make use. Again, the tool is no use if we don't maximize the capability that the ManageEngine promised to us. So in that way, we're able to maximize the features, and the end result is really amazing. In a short time, we're able to turn around our SLA, make it all greens.